It's Monday, it's the start of a new week. I am definitely not starting this week off per norm. Denny actually had a night off last night, which is non-existent really, so he got to stay home and sleep in. So he is heading out this morning with me. Unfortunately, I have to go to work, but for now we're heading to go pick up our Zaycon bacon order. You have to order 36 pounds. I'll leave the link down below. I got a code. They were $2.99 a pound, which is really cheap, but you have to buy like a 36 package box. That is way too much bacon for us. We don't use that much bacon. So I had 3 other family members get in on it with us, so it made it affordable for everyone. So keep that in mind if you want to order. Again, I'll leave the link down below. They always have big sales. They always have codes. I ordered the chicken from them a few months ago, I think back in April. I will link that up here so you can take a look at it. So far it's been definitely worth it, and because this is a little trip that we don't usually do at the beginning of the week, we don't really get to spend time like this, we're gonna get something to eat and something to drink. Got our food. Jenny got coffee. I went with tea from Starbucks today, and we both got burritos from Burger King. Alright, so I just unboxed the bacon, and I don't think they specified this, so I'm kind of a little not happy with it right now. They package it up in 3-pound packages. I thought it was 36 1-pound packages, and they are frozen, so basically you have to cook 3 pounds at a time or go through 3 pounds at one point. So I'm not too happy about that, especially since, you know, we did go in on it with family members, and really doesn't even out to the amounts that they ordered. So now I gotta check with them and see what they want to do. Yeah, not good. Hey, it's Tuesday. I need to finish getting ready so I can head out. But before I do that, I wanted to give you an update on that bacon. I did cook 3 pounds of it last night. I also made a breakfast casserole with it, and I packaged up the rest to go in the freezer. There's still a lot of bacon left. I definitely wouldn't buy the bacon again, only because of the way that they package it. Unless I had more people go in on it with me, then I would consider it. But for now, I think I will pass. And I have to tell you though, the cut on it is thick, and it is good bacon. So if you guys eat a lot of bacon, if you have a family that you know, consumes a lot of bacon, I highly recommend their bacon. Really good quality, but we're not like just bacon crazy. We eat it here and there. Denny likes it, but again, it wouldn't be worth it, you know, to get that much bacon just for one person. So I'm going to show you the casserole that I made with it. I'm actually going to package up the rest now individually, like in little containers, and put it in the freezer for like upcoming breakfasts on hand. And I'm going to show you the bacon that I packaged up, and then I'm going to show you the picture that AJ just got today from his graduation. I am like over the moon with it. I am completely in love with it. Oh my god, I just love it, and I'm already missing him. He left a few hours ago. He went camping. He's returning back on Friday. It's like I want him to go and I want him to have fun, but it's like I want him home at the same time. I guess it really doesn't matter what age they are. Like, you know, your mom, how would I even say that? Your I don't know, your letting go, like it doesn't matter. It's still there, and it makes it a little bit more, it weighs a little bit more on me today because it is his birthday. He turns 18 today. Usually we you know, do something for his birthday, but on his birthday night we at least go out and have a good dinner. But that's not gonna happen, but it's okay because we have something really fun planned for Saturday. And you know, I'm still going to have a big celebration for him soon, so just like a big summer bash. It's gonna be, you know, birthday, graduation, all in one. And of course I will bring you along. But all right, so I'm gonna turn the camera around. I'm gonna show you those 3 things and then I'm gonna finish getting ready. Okay, so here is the picture. I have a lot of favorite pictures of him. And of course, as they get older, you know, there's less of them. But let me tell you, this has got to be right up there with one of the best pictures I've ever had of him. Oh gosh, I just can't stop smiling. And I love the background that they used. Oh, you know, it's really, really different. I don't ever think I've ever seen a background like that in a picture, or even connect it to like a graduation. I think that was a pretty neat idea, and I can't wait to get it into a frame. And I mean, how great that like we're in the season where, you know, most of us decorate in this kind of decor anyway, so that's gonna fit perfectly. And here is the casserole. I can see half of it is gone. I am taking the other half and freezing it up. Let me know if you want the recipe for this. I know like this is all over Pinterest, and you know, you can basically get this recipe on any blog, but you know, this is just the way I make it, and it's really delicious. So that's the casserole, and then I'm going to show you the bacon now. All right, so here's the bacon. This is just out of the 3 pounds, and that is besides what I did use in the casserole. So I always try to double package whatever is going in the freezer, and basically what I got here is about the amount that I would use in the casserole. So maybe in another 2 or 3 weeks I will make it again. So that's all set to go into the casserole. And then I packaged this up in little like snack bags. There's 3 pieces to every little bag in there, and there's quite a bit. I got a lot out of that 3-pound package, and I still have a lot of 3-pound packages left. So this will also go in the freezer, and you know, when I'm just making a quick breakfast or a quick breakfast sandwich, just pull out one of these little snack individual bags, and depending on how many sandwiches I'm making, you know, 1 little bag to each, or 1 little bag to each plate, and it's done. It's just, you know, you can just put it in the microwave to soften it a little, put it in the frying pan to unfreeze it real quick, or even the air fryer. It like defrosts instantly. So yep, that is it. It's probably it for today, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Hey, it's Friday. We totally skipped through Wednesday and Thursday, which is fine because all it was work life, home life, and rain. It's beautiful out today. It's warm, and Denny unexpectedly had another day off, which is awesome. That never happens, but they're going through a change at work, and until they get it all set up, they are getting these days off, and we are loving it. So we're going to take advantage of it, and we're going to do what we love to do, and that's just jump in the car and go on little road trips. Right now, I just found out that we have a Long John Silver's that's about 15 minutes away, so we are jumping in the car, and that's what we're having for dinner. And who knows, maybe we'll even hit a Dollar Tree out there. Let's find out. Okay, so apparently the one that we're at is like a half Taco Bell and a half Long John Silver's. I've never been, so I guess it's better than nothing, because we would have to go out even way farther to get, I guess, like a full one, which I'm fine with. We're gonna go somewhere else for drinks because they don't have anything good. But the only thing I'm disappointed of is they don't have the desserts that Long John Silver's have, and I wanted a fried Twinkie. All right, now we're on the hunt for a honeydew. Okay, both Denny and I got frozen? I just said frozen. Both Denny and I got frozen fudgicle with Irish cream. Poor Denny, he wanted orange creamsicle for the second time in different locations, and they never have it. Right, so here is what we got. French fries, hush puppies, fish, and shrimp. And Denny got chicken, fish, and french fries. As if Dollar Tree wasn't exciting enough. What? Oh. He's scaring the crap out of me right now, guys. Oh my god. He is such a freaking daredevil. Oh my goodness. Okay, while Denny's trying to give me a heart attack, I'm about to walk into the Dollar Tree. So I think this is going to end the week for us, because tomorrow I do my usual Saturday vlog. So I am just going to say bye here, and I will see you again next week in another one like this. If you liked it, let me know. Thanks. Bye.